In this video, I want to talk about why I don't do direct-to-vendor marketing. What is direct-to-vendor marketing? This is when you post letters or leaflets through people's front doors saying that you buy houses in the hope that someone will see one of your leaflets and call you, at which point you might be able to negotiate a discount on the true market value of the property. From a residential perspective, this strategy might sound appealing and is often pitched as being the holy grail, as you can get better deals, but to be honest, I don't agree. You might be able to negotiate a better discount on the purchase price, as apparently you are direct with the vendor, therefore better able to understand what price they are more likely willing to accept. Because the property is not listed with any agents or on any property portals, there is little if any competition, which puts you in a better position when trying to get properties at a discount. You ideally need to know the exact area, street that you want to target depending on your property strategy. The hit rate or conversion is usually extremely low. You need time and money to send out these letters, and you need to do multiple campaigns. You need to get another phone number so that you can call on that number. It's usually pitched that some people don't like estate agents and so would prefer to sell their house privately. And if people are going through a divorce, leaving the area, moving abroad, and are in financial difficulty, then you could offer a quick solution to their property problem by offering to buy their house quickly, at a discount of course. This to me just sounds awkward and a bit shady. If you are looking to add significant amounts of value, like doing a 1:2 reconfiguration and refurbishment, it would be difficult to target these types of properties with a marketing campaign, as you will have no floor plans. This is usually one of the first things that I am interested in to see whether or not I can add any value to a particular property. Direct-to-vendor marketing might work well, but rather than having a particular strategy, you are targeting any property within a particular area in the hope that you can get a discount. And the uplift you create can be difficult to justify. Lenders don't like it when you buy properties at big discounts and claim the property is worth a lot more than what you paid for it 6 months later. In the current market, it's much better to target properties that you can add significant amounts of value to. For example, by adding bedrooms rather than those that you can just pick up cheaper. Please check out the projects we've completed in central London and locally, which allow us to buy 3 times the number of apartments compared to a normal buy-to-let investor. If you like this video, please smash that like button and hit subscribe so that you get notified when I release another video. Make sure you are subscribed, as I will pick a subscriber at random and have a 10-minute call with you to see how I can help you on your property investing journey. Let me know if you have any comments down below and I will do a video answering all your questions. Please check out my personal website, revinderorgula.com, where I have lots of free videos on property investing and service accommodation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.